With the MI Materials Gateway, you can access your materials library directly from your CAE environment. From the gateway, you can import materials from your favorites, browse for materials, search for specific materials. Here we're browsing for a specific material. Now we're going to search for a material based on its reach status and the material family. The datasheet for the selected material can be viewed from within the gateway. The material can also be imported. However, in this case we're going to add it to a favorites list. We can view all of our favorite materials, including the polymer we just added. We can import materials directly from our favorites lists. When importing materials, we can choose to bring in any material models we have configured for the particular table. As you can see, a material with traceable materials information can be imported in just a few clicks. The material models are now available in Abaqus with full traceability maintained. Material records within Granta MI can have full change control, ensuring only approved users can release records, and full traceability regarding changes is maintained. When the gateway is opened, it flags assigned materials which have been updated. This allows the CAE engineer to update any updated materials in their simulation.